The term decorative art refers to creative works that are not only ornamental and beautiful, but also functional. These are the arts that we live with and use. Furniture, metalwork, fashion, textile designs, ceramics, woodwork, glassware, and jewelry, all considered among the most significant forms of decorative art. Unlike fine art, which is created purely for aesthetic or intellectual purposes and includes disciplines like painting, music, sculpture, and photography, the decorative arts focus on designing everyday objects that bring beauty to function. They are the crafted elements of life that surround us. A hand-carved chair, a woven tapestry, a piece of jewelry passed down for generations. These objects are more than utilitarian. They are cultural expressions of skill, heritage, and identity. And while they may not always provoke the same emotional response as a painting or a poem, the decorative arts are essential to how we experience art in our daily lives. At Seed Gallery, we honor these often overlooked forms through the Art History and Economics Glossary, a curated resource celebrating the craftsmanship, meaning, and evolution behind the objects that shape our world. Explore more at seedgallerynewyork.com.